Would they all? In this session, we are providing notes for the structure of a Graafian follicle, the largest follicle during oogenesis. Along with that, we are also digitally providing an idea to draw the Graafian follicle. Come, let's see them together. The largest follicle present in the ovary after completion of the first meiotic division is called as the Graafian follicle. The Graafian follicle is a very large structure holding the largest cell in the center and a large fluid-filled cavity around it. It is around 25 millimeters in diameter. Let's see the structure of the Graafian follicle. The Graafian follicle has the secondary oocyte in the center. The secondary oocyte is very large and filled with necessary machinery for the development of the embryo. The nucleus of the oocyte is called as germinal vesicle and has 23 chromosomes with the X sex chromosome. It has a very prominent nucleolus in the center called as the germinal spot, and cytoplasm of the oocyte is called as ooplasm. In the cortex, the ooplasm contains the cortical granules. The outer membrane covering the oocyte is called as the vitelline membrane. The secondary oocyte is externally covered by a thick, transparent glycoprotein layer called as zona pellucida. The space present between the zona and the vitelline membrane is called as perivitelline space. The first polar body is found present in the perivitelline space. The first layer of granulosa cells surrounding the oocyte is called as the corona radiata. The mound of cells cumulated over the oocyte is called as the cumulus oophorus. The secondary oocyte, along with the cumulus oophorus, is attached with the follicular wall by the discus proligerus. The large fluid-filled cavity present among the granulosa layer is called as antrum. The fluid present within the antrum is called as the liquor folliculi and is secreted by the follicular cells. The granulosa cells covering the antrum is called as the periantral granulosa. The outermost layer of the granulosa cells are called as the membrana granulosa. The cells of the membrana granulosa rest on the basement membrane. The inner secretory layer of the theca is called as the theca interna. The outer fibrous layer is called as the theca externa. The secondary oocyte is arrested in the metaphase of the second meiotic division. Let's draw the follicle together. In the next session, we are providing notes for spermatogenesis. Till then,